Venture Aircraft is a leading manufacturer of precision-crafted sheet metal, machined components, and sub-assemblies for the aerospace industry. Since 1973, we have provided companies both large and small with the highest level of quality and personalized customer service. Venture Aircraft is an AS9100 certified full-service manufacturer with superior infrastructure, organization, customer certifications, the latest technology, lean manufacturing techniques, internal procedures and processes that enable us to implement innovative solutions on demand. Our core values include quality, customer service, accountability, continuous improvement, and a dedication to excellence. A strong hands-on management team works side by side with our dedicated employees to meet every customer's expectations for delivery and quality. With a proven track record of rapid throughput and condensed cycle times, Venture Aircraft has a competitive advantage in satisfying urgent needs that require expedited delivery. Venture capitalizes on the latest technology in lean manufacturing techniques. The company's vast experience manufacturing aerospace airframe products provides customers the best value in quality and performance. Our customer list includes the leading aerospace and defense prime contractors such as Northrop, Lockheed, and Boeing. The company's products go into some of America's highest performing commercial and military aerospace vehicles, including the entire family of Boeing commercial jets, Bombardier commuter jets, most United States military airlift and fighter aircraft programs, as well as many helicopter programs. Our combination of commitment and capabilities makes us the company of choice on jobs that demand perfection. Our goal is to establish a long-term relationship and to be an active partner as part of your supply chain. We have over 30 years of success stories with our customers. We look forward to becoming part of your success story.